Has it got chainsaw written on it?
It's got nothing written on it.
The other big container with that top of straight fuel.
Yeah.
Got a lubrication in it.
Holy crap, it's actually doing it. That was pretty easy. There it is, it goes. Needs a few more revs. You're dying. Oh, so is that like a for when the belt's on there?
That's a governor. Yeah, so
Yeah.
you load it up.
Why are you in here?
You know what? It's just a cycle thing. No, that's cycle. So the hot water comes up, and the hot water to the top, the cold water goes to the bottom, and it's self-cycle. No pump. So how high do you want it? Yeah, it's going.
Freeing up. Alright.
Now crank the throttle.
There's a lot of go there, eh? Yeah.
Purring now.
Smooth, eh? Can't believe how quiet it is as well. Alright. Oh, is that purely just what was in the bowl?
Yeah.
Oh crap.
Got my fuel tank, so.
Fill up a bit more in the bowl and give another burn.
God damn.
So there you go.
So do you fill that right up so it can
You
flow
fill
in
it
there?
up so it's just sitting.